Cobbas, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another one of my cooking videos. Today we're going to cook turkey. That's right, galobula. Now what we're going to do with this beautiful bit of Maryland is first of all acknowledge our friends at Preston Free Range Poultry and Game, Betty and Dimitri, for providing this beautiful free range Maryland turkey. Yes, galobula, as they say in Greece. What we're going to do is we're going to cook it on the CrossRay BBQ with all 4 burners on low, with the hood down on the rotisserie. So that's how we're going to do today. It will take around about an hour and a half to cook, not much longer than that. And weight, you're looking at about 1.5 kilos. So now, we're going to have a simple marinade. We're going to put a bit of olive oil and my beautiful spices over here, tasty spices, the barbecue combination. So, of course, you can always do salt, pepper, oregano, and a bit of chili. You can always do any other kind of marinade you like. But today, we're going to use the barbecue province that comes from Tasty Spices. So, we're going to just cover it in a bit of olive oil, just like that. Now, you can do this after, or you can do it before. It really depends how messy you want to get. Because it's time to also put it on the rotisserie. So, you grab your forks, just like this, and you just put the oil on. Now it's time to just souvlisi the turkey. And what we're going to do is just going to put the rod straight through, just like this. And yes, it is good for the short ones, isn't it? I don't think so. And put it straight through, just like that. Opas, there we go. Using gravity to help you. So we've got it there, and well, we are cooking in the outdoors. We've got to be careful of flies. So we're just going to prick it just a little bit, and we're going to put the other one on the other side just like this. The other fork, just to control it and hold it together so it doesn't spin. You don't need much with this, just like that, and make sure it's roughly in the middle, and away we go. Now we are going to tie it a little bit with some string so this bit here doesn't flop around. So grab yourself some string that you would naturally use for cooking. Just like that. Grab a couple of strips off that, about that long, and put the rest away for next time. Now all I just do is, to make it a bit easier for myself, I just make a little bit of a knot at the end, just like this. Opa. There we go. Like that. And then I just put it underneath. And it just helps me when I'm pulling it together, coming close, and you'll see the loop, just like this. There we go. So just doing it like that. I'll just hold it there, spin it over, like that, and just tie a couple of knots here. And as you can see, with these loops, it's not rocket science. If Jack and Greek can do it, anyone can do it. Spin them round all the way, and again, just do the knots. And that's all we need, just like that. And like I said, depends how messy you want to get. Sometimes you do the laddi, the olive oil, after you do your stringing like that. But it doesn't matter either way. Then we just have our beautiful spices. Again, anything you like, you can put on it. Salt, pepper, oregano, lemon. You can make a barbecue spice. You can do whatever you like. Look at this, plenty of it. I am going to use a olive oil and lemon marinade while it's cooking, just to keep it moist. And you can see this has not taken long at all. So for any amateur, like myself, some call me a professional, it won't take you long to do it yourself. Just like this. That's it. As long as you keep your surface clean, your hands clean, and your equipment, everything's easy. And of course, we'll put our balancer over here. Just get that ready, and we'll come over here. Pop the lids down, open up the lid, put it in just like this. This is how easy it is on the CrossRay BBQ. Turn it on, and let's see how it goes. Now it's important to watch it with the balancer, just to see where it's going to drop. And what I mean by drop, you might see it now, just like that. So what we'll do is we'll just adjust it so it probably stops somewhere there. So let's see what that does. on the next turn. And this is how you adjust your balancer when you're cooking on a rotisserie. This should be good now. Of course, as I said, it'll take about an hour and a half to cook for about 1.5 kilos of a turkey Maryland. Of course, in Greek, again, galopula. So, I'll be back in about an hour to show you what I'm going to do with my little dip on the side. Well, I'm back, but if you have a look, it's not an hour later. It's only been about 5 minutes. Why? Because my daughter, my beautiful daughter, said, Dad, let's just make the dip now. So, let's just get it out of the way. So we're back now. Grab some coriander. I'm just going to make this up. Bit of coriander, just like this. We're going to use olive oil. We're going to put salt and pepper, a bit of chili as well. Just like this. Beautiful coriander. Koliandro, as they call it in Greek. Just like that. I'm going to grab some parsley from the backyard. I'm going to cut that up as well. I'm going to keep cutting this really, really fine. I'm just going to show you exactly how easy and quick it is to make a beautiful little marinade, little dip that you can just add on top of your turkey when you take it off. Just like that. Put that on the side. Grab a spring onion. Thanks to our mates at Preston Market this morning. Nice and fresco. And just cut that up as well. Just like this, all the way through. And I'll cut a bit more in a minute. But just to show you, grab some chili. Cut that as well. Beautiful. Grab yourself some scordo. Clean it up. Get the peel off. And we'll cut that up as well. Beautiful. Love scordo. Plenty of garlic in all my cooking. Love it. And just cut that up as well. There we have it. So I'll keep just cutting this up. I'll be back and I'll show you how we're going to mix it all up. I can smell it. I can smell the parsley, the coriander, I can smell the chili, and of course the spring onion. So, now that we've done that, the rest is easy. Grab yourself a bowl, put it all in, just like that, as much as you want. Just like that. Put a bit of olive oil, like this. Grab yourself some salt. Obas. There we go. A little bit of pepper. And then we just give it a mix. I'm just going to grab my marinade, keeping it simple and mixing it up just like this. Of course, you can see that we need a bit more olive oil. So come in close and have a look to see what consistency that I'm going to create. A bit more. There we go. That's it. So I reckon about 100 mil, 150 mil of olive oil is what I'm using here. Just like that. Opas. Beautiful. Give it a taste. Oh. Just needs, oh, very spicy. Just needs a little bit more lemoni. So I'm going to put a bit of lemoni in there as well. Just like that. Wasn't sure if I'd need it, but making it on the run. Just like that. Look at that. Beautiful. Now that's one. Also, I did say that I'm going to make an olive oil with a lemon marinade so I can paste our turkey. I'll make it at the same time. Quick boil. And for the non-Greeks, it's not rocket science. Just grab yourself the lemon, put it in there, just like that. Pips and all. That's okay. Grab yourself olive oil, 50-50, just like this. Grab salt. Grab pepper, like that, and grab yourself some oregano. That is the traditional marinade that you'll find in every Greek household for lamb, pork, and chicken. It's that easy. Grab a fork or a knife, give it a quick mix, just like this. Taste it. A bit more lemon, just like this, and there it goes. That's the secret to beautiful Greek cooking. we're back in about an hour, as promised, to show you how we're going on the Maryland turkey. For now, it's just cooking away, spinning and cooking and getting ready for us. Oba, come in close and let's have a look at our beautiful turkey Maryland. Ella, come in close. Oba, look at that. Look how nice and red, roasted, beautiful brown color it is. And it's starting to crack here. And it's starting to cook here and golden up. Now, we're going to start with a bit of marinade. As I said, keep it simple. Olive oil, lemon, salt, pepper, and oregano. And there you go. Don't put too much on there because you don't want to flare it up because of the oil dropping on the grill. But just give it a bit like that. And do this now 3 times. There you go. See, you've got to be very careful. 3 times in the next half an hour. Around 1.5 hours now. Come in close and let me show you how you know, using your eye, if your turkey or your meal is ready. Come in close. Look here. Look at bubbling. Look at the skin bubbling away underneath. That's how you know it's starting to get ready. Another skill, another hint is when the meat starts cracking and the skin. And of course, you can cook it too quick and create the same effect if you don't have your temperature right. But look here as well. See how it's sweating? Over here again, it's boiling. That's how you know it's ready. So, it's been on for an hour and a half. We'll turn off all the burners now on the CrossRay barbecue, just like that. And we'll quickly summarize what we did. We had 1.5 kilo Maryland, turkey Maryland, on the CrossRay barbecue for around 1.5 hours. We've marinated in the last half an hour, and now it's ready to bring on to our bench. There we go. Oh, bus. Oh, bus. Oh, smell that. The key thing is we just got to take it off. Just like this. So you just grab it from one side and just pull it out like that. There you go. Oh, bus. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's put that away for now. Close that. And there we have it. Look at this beautiful piece. Beautiful. We did have a couple little bits of string on this, holding it together. We'll cut them off as well. Just like this. Oh, there we go. You just want to be really careful. The skin is very soft. Just like that. Take that off. Just put it aside. And we had one more over here, I think. Just here. There it is. See? That's it. Opa. And we'll grab that out. And there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So let's just put it in our tray, in our platter, just here. Just like that. There we go. Clean up our chopping board. Oh, look at that. I can smell it. The whole room smells. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's bring that close. And there it is there. The final piece. Just like that. And of course, I'm going to show you inside now. It's time to show you what it looks like inside. Let's have a look. Beautiful. Look at that. So we're going to slice it just for you. Just here like this. Opa. Look at that. Opas. There we go. Look at this. Cooked. Beautiful. Thanks to our friends, again, Betty and Dimitri at Preston Free Range Poultry and Game. Look at that. Beautiful. Look how soft that is. Beautiful. And of course, let's not forget, we did say we had a beautiful dip, marinade, call it what you like. I like just putting that on top, just like this on your piece. You can put it on top here as well, just like that. Beautiful. And let that go. Opa. There we have it. Amazing. Beautiful. There we have it. Maryland turkey, cooked on the CrossRay barbecue, 1.5 hours by Jack the Greek. Thank you again for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Opa from Jack the Greek.